are at Gudbrandsjuvet, which is another flipping fantastic architecturally designed viewpoint. So you've got to give the Norwegians money for this, because oh, there we go. There used to be a bridge here in 1919 and they've made it into a great viewpoint. So you see the river coming in there, and if I just walk down here, there's all these glass panels so you can see stuff. And here's the river coming down a bit of a canyon. And then it goes down, and underneath us hole there, under this bridge, which has rather nicely got panels in it so you can see it going. You can see the waterfall joining it down there. And then it's off under the road bridge over there. It's pretty impressive. You've got these really nice walkways for you to walk around. Over another one, look at that. That doesn't give you the heebie-jeebies. And then we'll go up around here so you can just see the waterfall a bit better. The parking there's a free parking place just to one side, and there's a little cafe there. Whoop. And we'll just come round, and here it is. Another beastie of a waterfall. We like these. Found a few of these in Norway. There's waterfalls right next to the road that normally you would like walk millions of miles to get to. Just stand and watch them all day. It's like a washing machine. And then finally, we've got a really nice, if you can hear me, over here, there's a really nice walkway back up to the car park. It's all fancy smancy. So yeah, so that was the Gudbrandsjuvet, I can't pronounce it, waterfall. If you're on the E63, I think it is, coming from the Trolls route down towards Valdal or something. Not very good at geography. Do stop, it's worth it.